All right, so I was pretty much stagnant for probably after my first year of learning guitar. So when I came here, I had 1 year of playing 25 times. Since coming here, I've learned proper techniques and proper practicing so that as I progressed, I noticed that I'm able to play twice as fast with half the effort. And also part of the progression was I started to wonder who was that while I was practicing or playing. It didn't sound like me. And then that matured into hey, that's starting to sound the way I want it to sound. And I can, just as each month goes by, I can see myself getting closer and closer. It's night and day, and you know, I know with assurance that if I continue to do this, I know I'm going to progress, and as opposed to I'm never going to get any progress at all. And that was very frustrating for a long time. And everybody I've talked to has said, how'd you put up with everything like that? Sometimes you just kind of think that it's your lot in life. You know, I'm just not musical. It's not going to work for me. But I was definitely the poster child for needs help, and I got it here, and I'm very happy about it.